You think all is good and well, but let me tell you something that will make you dwell. I watch you as you sleep every night. Please don't be frightened, or I'll have to introduce your family to the good old knifing. My name is sickly known like the common cold. I love hearing my victims scream, "No!" But if you agree to let me watch, all is well. But if you don't, welcome to hell. For your last words will be no, and your corpse will be cold. You may ask, why would you do this, you bastard? Because I am a serial killer, and I love hearing my victims whimper as my rusty knife cuts into their veins and arteries. They will always be a part of me, forever in my memories, as they lay down dead like an enemy of the state. These are my last words as they bake me in the fryer, and I am no liar. I will tell them that killing is my passion, because I like putting bastards in caskets with no remorse, because I'm a maniac. No! No!